In this video, I will show you how to connect headphones to interface. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, connecting headphones to an audio interface is a straightforward process that allows you to monitor the audio with low latency, ideal for recording or mixing music. First step is to locate the headphone output on your interface, and this is typically a 1/4 inch jack that's labeled headphones or phones on the front panel for easy access. Now the next step will be to plug in your headphones into the headphone jack. You're going to need to insert the headphone plug securely into the jack. If your interface has multiple headphone outputs, you're going to choose the one that you prefer, and this is a direct connection that provides amplified audio without needing any extra equipment. Now the next step will be to connect the audio interface into your computer. Now you can use a USB cable or the cable provided to link the computer to your audio device. This should be able to power on your device, because once you connect it to your computer in turn provides power to your device and powers it on. Now the next step would involve adjusting the headphone volume. Now you can use a dedicated headphone volume knob to adjust the headphone volume. You need to set it to a volume that you're comfortable with. Now usually once the volume hits this orange like colors on your interface, then it's not a good level that you would like your sound to be at. You'd have to reduce it, and it's similar here also. You'd have to reduce it so its peak of it should be in this yellow zone, and as you can see here, the yellow zone, and that's correct. The last step will be to open your door, and you're going to play a sound on your computer. Now you're going to set the audio interface as the default output device on your computer system settings. After that, you should hear a clear sound through your headphones. Now that is how to connect headphones to interfaces. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. That being said, I'll see you in the next video.